This video will look at how to find quality journal articles on your subject databases. Simply head over to the library website. As in the earlier video, we used the library search to find quality journal articles. This time we're going to use our subject databases. The library search covers all topic areas, whereas your subject databases will enable you to look within a specific discipline. That way you tend to get narrower and more focused sets of results. So to find your databases, simply go to the Databases A to Z link. We're going to use the topic we had in the earlier videos, so we're going to look at the impact social media has on the mental health of teenagers. We're particularly interested in the psychological aspect. So if we go to the Faculty of Health Sciences, we'll see a list of relevant databases. So this list covers all health sciences, so it will cover nursing, midwifery, psychology, sport, etc. So simply browse down whatever topic area you're interested in and select the databases that are most relevant. I'm going to start with PsycInfo. This particular database is provided from a company called EBSCO. This is a common platform and we have a lot of other databases from the same company. To enter our search, you can see we have an advanced search screen, and again we can type in our search terms as we did in the earlier video. We can separate out our search terms and we have the Boolean operator AND to connect our search terms. Let's run this search. So although we've found a reasonable number, we are potentially missing lots of key results, and that's because we haven't applied any of those advanced search techniques. So let's go back to our search and we can make a few tweaks. We want to look for social media and mental health as a phrase. So we can simply enclose those in double speech marks. We also need to put some synonyms in and we need to think about different word endings. So again, we're going to apply truncation as well. So we've put some synonyms in for social media, we've thought about other words for teenager, and because we want the term adolescent or adolescence, we've truncated that as well as youth or youths, and we've put some more specific conditions in for mental health. We could also look for mental illness, mental disorders. This is just to give you an idea of how to put your search terms in. Let's run the search again. So as you can see, this has greatly increased our search results. So those techniques are really important. Let's look at how we can narrow our search now. We just want really good quality peer-reviewed journal articles. So let's select peer-reviewed. And we might also want to put on a date range. So this has reduced our numbers, but if we want to limit it even further, we could limit specific rows to the title of the article. It defaults to search across all fields, but limiting to the title only will hopefully find more relevant results. We might do this with one or all of our key terms. When browsing through, if there are any you're interested in, we can click on the title and we can get the title of the article, the journal that it's published in, the authors, the volume part and pages for your reference, and we can get the abstract or the summary. We have additional options up here as well if we want to see further how to cite it, add it to folders and download. To read it, we can choose the access options, and I'm going to go for the PDF version. Always click on the access options to find the best way of locating the full text. If we haven't got it, you'll be provided with alternative links. If you're using these databases regularly, it's worth setting up a personal account. If I select my EBSCO, from here you can create an account, and I've signed into my personal one already. That means I can save things permanently into folders, and I can even save my search. Simply click on the little icon here to save. And if we want to save the search, we just use the three dots at the top of the results page and go to Save Search. Click Save. and your records and your searches will be saved in your dashboard. You can also create projects if you want to create separate folders to add materials to. Now we've just been searching in one EBSCO database called PsycInfo. We can select additional ones to search in. Simply click on the name of the database, and it might be we're interested in other nursing and health journals such as CINAHL, Medline, a big medical database. Academic Search Ultimate is multidisciplinary, so we might want to select that one too. The more databases we add, the wider the search will be. So again, depending on how many results you get back, you might want to consider searching in additional databases. So once again, this has greatly increased our search results. I've been demonstrating on one particular platform called EBSCO. Let's have a look at a different one to show you how you can translate this search strategy into another platform. If I jump back to our list of databases, in addition to subject-specific ones, the university subscribes to a wide range of interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary databases. Let's have a look at Scopus. This claims to be the largest indexing and abstracting database. If we add search fields, you can now see it looks very similar to the EBSCO platform, and we can basically use all the same techniques. So we can add our search terms in, and rather than a keyword search, we can also limit it to title as we did with EBSCO. And again, you can start scrolling through your list of results. So remember, to find your subject databases, go to your list of databases and select your faculty, select any relevant databases, and employ those search techniques. Remember to use truncation, phrase searching, think about your synonyms and connect those with the Boolean operator OR. You can set up personal accounts and save your searches and save articles. All of the databases enable you to export your results as well into reference management software.